Hello and welcome to another update video about BNB. BNB continues to move in its diagonal pattern. It's certainly not an impulse. It can't be an impulse due to the choppy nature of the price increase here. And there are also some other issues with the structure. But overall, what we have here on the chart is so far a three-wave move to the upside. We need 5 to confidently confirm that a low has formed, a lasting low here around the 12th of October. Until then, yeah, as a diagonal, it can always break down easily because it looks so much like a corrective structure as well. There's just one of these problems with diagonals. You can't really trust them until they complete it. And then we can work with them and add a support area for the upcoming pullback. Good news about diagonals is that they basically start a new trend, okay? And if this diagonal fulfills all 5 waves, then we can more confidently buy into the next pullback, which would happen after what I have labeled there as wave 5. But I cannot give you a support area for that pullback because we haven't even confirmed that 5 waves are done. So only 3 at the moment, okay? So the third wave, however, reached a 1.38 extension. That's good. That's a good target for a third wave in a diagonal. And we're now in this pullback zone, in this support zone. And I have an ABC structure that could be complete. Please note that the wave 2 was very, very short in duration. So also the wave 4 wouldn't really need much time. The wave 2 was very rapid. It was a sharp correction. That typically indicates that the wave 4 is going to be a sideways correction or flat correction. I mean, what we've got here is looking like a flat A wave down, yeah, the B wave, a high B, not overshooting, but a high B wave, looks like a flat structure, and then the C wave in an expanded flat. Alternatively, this wave 4 could turn easily into a triangle, but it's too early to confirm that. It would take a break above $338 to confirm that the move down is over, that the correction is over. Possibly a first indication would already be a break above 335, that B wave high, but you know, there is no earlier signal. And I would like to see in wave 5 at least 364, better 383. And once these 5 waves are complete, we can add the support area for the next pullback. You can see that the chart is prepared for various fluctuations that could arise next week due to ETF news, short-term fluctuations. The main support is at $261.70. So the price has a lot of space that it can use. I mean, now the price is at 305. It's overall quite a boring chart. It showed a little bit of momentum recently, but really not much happened since June. It's just moving sideways overall. But maybe this is now the new uptrend, and maybe this is going to form 5 waves. So again, once we see that signal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have this and can count it as a wave 1. And the ABC pullback will then get a support area for wave 2 to trade the third wave higher, which could then take us to $500 and beyond. But first of all, we need to see if the price has if the bulls are strong enough to form 5 waves. Just note the relevant support levels in this Fibonacci zone, because these are the levels where we need to be watching for potential lows to be formed. 289, 275, and 261.70. If a triangle forms, we should not see another low, whereas a break below 296 will suggest that at least 289, maybe $275 will be the next targets. It to me, it could be both. You know, in a triangle pattern, we're obviously watching for 5 waves. This would be the A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave. We could still get another move up then, but that's just, you know, correction. I don't really want to put the sub waves onto a correction because these change so often. It is very important to understand where the support is sitting. There should also be some support around the $275 level, good support, because that's the 50% Fibonacci level and previous A wave high, previous wave 1 high. So we could be retesting those previous levels, which was a bit of a breakout point actually, breaking above that level. So we might come down to retest it. That wouldn't be bearish. It would still be within the support level. That's my update about BNB. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.